Welcome to our guide on WhatsApp for desktop. Stay connected without your mobile. Are you tired of juggling your phone just to stay in touch? Well, you are in the luck. In this video, we will show you how to easily access WhatsApp on your PC without needing your mobile device turned on. From setting it up to enjoying seamless messaging, we will cover everything you need to know to keep you connected no matter where you are. Let's dive in. By the way, right now I'm using Android emulator, but you can use your mobile as well. The process is definitely same. So guys, process is pretty simple. First of all, you can open Microsoft Store and then search for WhatsApp. Original WhatsApp application. You need to download this one. Currently I have already downloaded into my PC and here is it. If I open this, it's look like this one, right? Now the thing is, might be there's update. So it's around 40.57 MB. Let's wait for the download. But the thing we can do here, launch your MSI app player, which is my main emulator nowadays. It's working super cool. I mean, you will not see any crashes. You will never face any issue with the MSI app player. It's more stable than the Nox player, LD player, Mimu player, and even it's much better than the BlueStack just because it's lighter than the BlueStack. BlueStack have a lot of applications, lot of ads, and lot of functionality. If you have a good PC, then you can use BlueStack. Otherwise, MSI app player is the best emulator. Now the thing you need to do here, you need to configure your WhatsApp with your desktop application without internet. At first you need internet, but after configuring you can just close your MSI app player, or even if you are using mobile, you can just close your mobile data and you can still use WhatsApp on your PC. And here we go. Now simply you need to open your WhatsApp and then click on get started. Now link with phone number. Now simply choose your religion. In my case, I'm from Pakistan, so choosing the Pakistan and then type your mobile number. Alright, now once you click on next, after typing the your mobile number, your WhatsApp number, you will get this code, and also you will get here the notification on your WhatsApp account, right? Just click on that and click on confirm. Now simply you need to type these codes from your desktop application to Android or mobile or emulator WhatsApp. So it's Q4HSCEAP. Now once you have done this, you'll get each and everything on your desktop. Or you can give it any name like still whatever, and then click on save. Once you have done this, now simply you can just close your emulator, or if you are using Android, then just turn off your Android data. You will still you can access each and everything, like you can chat, and you can even delete chat messages from delete for me or delete for everyone. And also you can call, video call, you can see the status, you can adjust your profile settings, and for the more settings about WhatsApp and account privacy, like almost you can access the complete WhatsApp from your PC. Right, you got it. Thanks for tuning in to our guide on WhatsApp for desktop. Stay connected without your mobile. We hope you found it helpful and are excited to use WhatsApp on your PC hassle-free. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tricks. Stay connected and we will see you in the next one.